Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about the anemia. This is the biggest problem in India. Everybody having the anemia problem in India, and about the sources of iron which increases your hemoglobin and treats the anemia. So first I will tell you what are the richest sources of iron, but before going to that I want to tell you what is the daily requirement of iron in our body. In case of female, 15 milligram per day is the daily requirement of our iron in our body, which enhances, which produces the hemoglobin, and that helps to maintain the hemoglobin in our body. And in case of male, that is approximately 10 milligram per day. Now we are going to see what are the vegetarian sources of iron, which are the iron rich sources. First comes the fortified cereals. Fortified cereals, it is also called as trun dhanya. For example, maka, gahu, jwari. In these fortified cereals, we get the richest sources of iron. Second is the spinach, palak. This is also one of the richest source of iron in vegetarian. And all green leafy vegetables, these are the good sources of iron in the vegetarian peoples. Then legumes. Legumes means all types of dali, what we call all types of dali. This is also a good source of vegetarian iron. Then comes the beans. Beans means rajma. This is also a good source. Dark chocolates, which likes everybody. This dark chocolate is also a good source of iron. So everybody must eat the dark chocolates also. Sweet potatoes, ratala, what it's called. This is also a good source of iron. Then comes the prunes, manuka, what we call. If you take the manuka juice or if you eat the prunes, it is also a very good source of iron in our body. Mushroom, then tomato paste, and last is the spirulina. These are the good vegetarian sources of iron in our body. Then in the fruits, which are the good fruits, which are the iron rich fruits, we'll see. Oranges, then comes the berries, then come the kiwis, and then comes the beetroots. These four fruits are the richest sources of iron. And in case of non-vegetarian sources, fish and yellow part of the egg, these are the rich sources of iron. So our diet should include all these vegetarian, non-vegetarian and fruits to fulfill the daily requirement of iron. And as you know that our daily requirement is 10 milligram per day in case of male and 15 milligram per day in case of female. So if we take this food in a good quantity, we can get rid of anemia. Just this is the in short we are given the information, rich sources of iron. This you can see the daily requirement in case of female, 15 milligram per day, in case of male 10 milligram per day. Vegetarian sources, fortified cereals, spinach, green leafy, legumes, beans, dark chocolates, sweet potatoes, prunes, mushroom, tomato paste and spirulina. In case of fruit sources, oranges, berries, kiwis, beetroot. And in case of non-vegetarian sources, fish and yellow part of egg.